What's up, guys? Sam Acevedo here. Welcome back. Today's the day. BMW Invasion. I got my BMW Invasion t-shirt on. We're in the Beamer in the 335. We're headed out. We're about 30 minutes away. I already ran into my first snag. The car was idling in the driveway. I guess it went into limp mode. I ran a test on it really quick, and it was air to fuel mixture. So I'm thinking too much fuel in idle. Who knows? I reset it, and we're on our way. Gas tank is filled. I'm super excited. The car, I think, looks clean. So the wife is in the car. We're gonna have fun.
One of the things that we take a lot of pride of BMW Invasion is our video footage, and we want to make sure that everyone is part of it. So if you see a Baca who's right there waving, Baca is going to be in the media truck, and what you're going to do is, as you approach the media truck, is you're going to make it like a dynamic, right? So you're going to approach the vehicle, slow down, and go by, right? You're going to give everyone a chance to do that because we want everyone in the vehicle. So if you want to be in the video footage, that's the guy that you need to be following. Most times he'll give you hand signals. It'll be wave toward him, wave away from him, or wave to the side. That means passing by. Is that clear? All right. Sometimes he says hold as well. All right. That's another key. This is the photographer. His name is Grizzly. Grizzly is going to most likely be taking rulers of your car. What are your hand signals?
Same exact spot.
Same hand signals. Closer, push back, hold, and move on. All right. All right, guys. So once again, police escort is going to escort us out. We're all going to leave in a group. Are you guys ready? Police? Yeah. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. Once again. So we are leaving from this. I'm sorry. We're leaving from this driveway right here. So everyone's going to roll out where the light pole is. You're going to make a left, and you're going to make a right onto the highway.
We just did roll call. We're about to head out. I'm sweating. We're sitting out there. It's about 90 degrees outside. We ate pizza. We walked around. We talked to everyone. Bunch of nice cars here. Police escort is here, where they're going to escort us off to the beginning of the route. First stop is about an hour away. A lot of cars here. I think 47 cars got here. A lot of different M3s. A lot of non-M3s or non-Ms. We have a couple X3s and X5s. Really nice turnout so far. Google Maps rerouted us.
Trash.
Unbelievable.
Absolute trash.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just made it to the hotel. It's been a long day, super tired. We've been driving basically for 3 or 4 hours straight. Got to the event at around, I'd say 11:30. We rolled out at 1. Unfortunately, our first snag was in the first, I don't know, like 10 minutes where we got rerouted. But we managed to come back around and basically cut everybody off. I don't know how it happened, but we ended up in front of them. Outside of that, I don't think there was any issues with routing or with Google Maps or with, following any of the cars. I mean, there was a lot of us. You couldn't miss us on the street. Rolling 50 deep is pretty crazy. But I want to give a shout out to the crew of BMW Invasion. I mean, they did a great job. I mean, from setting it up, even the last minute change that they had to do, they accommodated us very well. I mean, they gave us some food, drinks, the goodie bags. Everything was organized, from the logistics all the way to the very end. The ride was to a brewery in I guess it was in the Poconos, which was very nice. At the end of it, we were there chilling, hanging out, drinking beers, eating, just enjoying the day. And then afterwards, because we're going to Impact tomorrow, we decided to wash the cars. There were instances throughout the ride, or there was this one section of road for a couple miles that was not even paved. It wasn't gravel, but it wasn't paved. But the cars in front of me were spitting out rocks. I mean, it was hitting me. By the end of the ride, I looked at the car and it was filthy, right? So it definitely needed a wash. After the wash, we decided to grab a quick, bite from McDonald's. I went to pay. Window didn't go down. My driver's side window regulator went. I heard it crunching. Right now it's kind of pushed up, propped up with a panel popper. So that's definitely going to be on the list once I get home, if I don't pick it up sooner. So other than that, though, I think everything went well. I had lots of fun. All the people that were there, everyone was great. The event itself, it felt like family. So even though we didn't know each other, it just felt like we knew each other because of that, that community of the BMW family. And everyone was cool. Everyone, was talking about each other's cars and what they had done, what are they gonna do, where they drive, where they're from, all that. So, overall the day was great. I think the event was amazing. And if they have any or a new event by us, hopefully at the Town of the Dragon, I'd definitely go. I definitely want to mod my car even more now, or get that M3 or M5 or M6, any M. Guys, I totally forgot, while we were at the brew company, hanging out, they were going to do a giveaway. There were 2 giveaways. Both of them were from Gates Innovations. They make this cool key fob. It's either you reprogram yours or they swap the internals. I mean, I don't know what they do. It looks amazing. I'll put a link in the description and then also add it here. This is what it looks like. Boom. And I won, right? So I was the first winner. You know, they hit me up, so I should be picking that up tomorrow at Impact. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.